Good morning, students. Students, in previous lecture, we were doing exercise 64 and our topic is time. Question number 1 to 6 we already uh, discussed. Now we will start at question number 7. Question number 7 to 10, there are few word problems related to topic time. So, seventh statement is Tarun drove his friend's house. He left at 10:40 a.m. and reached at 2:25 p.m. Now find how many hours and minutes did the journey take. So, as per your statement, Tarun starts his journey at 10:40 a.m. Tarun starts his journey at 10:40 a.m. and he reached his friend's house at 2:25 p.m. Now find how many hours and minutes did the journey take. So we will find the time between time from 10:40 to 2:25 p.m. Now how we will count this journey time? First, time between 10:40 time to 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. Here we write hours and minutes. Time between 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. 0 hour and 20 minutes. Time from 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. We have 20 minutes between them. 10:40 to 11 a.m. Next, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. नाउ 11 बजे से लेके 2 बजे तक 11 12 1 2 3 hours 3 hours and 00 minutes. Then 2 p.m. to 2:25 p.m. 2 p.m. to 2:25 p.m. 25 minutes. Clear, students? Now, in first, we will find the time between 10:40 a.m. to 2:25 p.m. First time from 10:40 to 11 a.m. 10:40 से लेके 11 के बीच तक बजे तक के बीच का टाइम. These are 20 minutes. Then 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. 3 hours. 2 p.m. to 2:25 p.m. 25 minutes. Now students add 2 plus 2 4, then 3. So his journey take 3 hours and 45 minutes. Time taken by Tarun is 3 hours and 45 minutes. Clear, students? Tarun started his journey as 10:40 a.m. and he reached his friend's house as 2:25 p.m. Now find the time between 10:40 a.m. to 2:25 p.m. In first step, 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. 20 minutes. Then 11 to 2 p.m. 3 hours. And 2 p.m. to 2:25 p.m. 25 minutes. Now total is 3 hours and 45 minutes. So Tarun reached his friend's house in 3 hours and 45 minutes. Next is 8th question. A painting competition started at 11:45 a.m. and finished at 1:35 p.m. How long did the competition last? Competition started at started at 11:45 a.m. and complete finished at 1:35 p.m. So students, now find the time between 11:45 a.m. to 1:35 p.m. Time from 11:45 a.m. to 1:35 p.m. Clear? In first step, time from 11:45 a.m. to 12 noon. Right here, hours and minutes. 11:45 a.m. to 12 noon. We have 15 minutes. Next is 12 noon to 1 p.m. 12 noon to 1 p.m. is 1 hour. Then 1 p.m. to 1:35 p.m. 1:35 p.m. 35 minutes. Now add 5 plus 5, 10, 3, 4 and 5, 1. So competition time is 1 hour and 50 minutes. As per your statement, a painting competition started at 11:45 a.m. and it finished at 1:35 p.m. So find the time between time from 1:45 a.m. to 1:35 p.m. In first step, we find time from 11:45 to 12 noon. We have 15 minutes. Then 12 noon to 1 p.m. 1 hour. 1 p.m. to 1:35 p.m. 35 minutes. Now students add, and result is 1 hour and 50 minutes. So duration of this painting competition is 1 hour and 50 minutes. This is question number 8. Dear students, next is ninth question. Ninth question is, a school start at 7:20 a.m. It works for 5 hours and 20 minutes. When does the school close? So school start as 7:20 a.m. and working time is 5 hours and 20 minutes. Now find, when does the school close? Students, if the school start at 7:20 a.m. सुबह के 7:20 पे स्कूल स्टार्ट हुआ, देन 5 घंटे 20 मिनट के बाद वो छुट्टी हुई है, देन टाइम आफ्टर 5 hours, after 5 hours 7:20, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 5 hours, time will be 12:20 p.m. Then after 20 minutes, 12:40. So it close at 12:40 p.m. Clear, students? School start at 7:20 a.m. and working hours are 5 hours and 20 minutes. So now find when it closed. In first step, find time after 5 hours, 12:20. Then time after 20 minutes, 12:40. So school close at 12:40 p.m. Next is 10th question. A train leaves Mumbai at 4:40 p.m. and reaches Surat after 2 hours and 55 minutes. At what time does the train reach at Surat? First step, train leaves Mumbai. $55. So journey start at 10:40 p.m. So time after 2 hours, that is 4:10 after 2 hours, 6:10. p.m. Then time after 55 minutes, after 55 minutes, time will be 7:05 p.m. So the train will reach at Surat at 7:05 p.m. Clear, students? Next is exercise 65. Exercise 65. Students, in exercise 65, your first question is convert the following into hours. Question number first is convert into hours. Part A is 4 days. Now convert 4 days into hours. Friends, in one day, we have 24 hours. Convert 4 days into hours. In one day, we have 24 hours. So divide 24 by 4. One day, we have 24 hours. In 4 days, 24 multiplied by 4. 4 4 are 16. 4 2 are 8 plus 1 9. So in 4 days, we have 96 hours. When we convert days into hours, we will multiply by 24. Next is part B. Seven days. Again, one day is equal to 24 hours. So 24 multiplied by 7. 7 4 are 28. So friends, in 7 days, we have 168 hours. Next is part C, 16 days. 24 multiplied by 16. 6 4 are 24. 6 2 are 12 plus 2 14. Now multiply by 1. 1 4 are 4. 2. Now add students 4. 4 plus 4 8. Then 3. So in 16 days we have 384 hours. Next is part D. Now we have 20 days. Now 20 multiplied by 24. 24 multiplied by 20. First we will multiply by 0, 0, 0. Then multiply by 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4. So in 20 days we have 480 hours. Next is part E. Part E. 3 days and 18 hours. Is 18 hours. So in this sum, simply we will convert 3 days into hours. Convert 3 days into hours, then plus 18. Clear, students? 24 multiply by 3 plus 18. Now student, 24 multiply by 3. 3 4 are 12. 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. Now add 18. 8 plus 2 10. 90 hours. So in 3 days and 18 hours we have 90 hours. Next is last part of question number 1, that is F, 2 days and 6 hours. And 6 hours. Now convert 2 days into hours and add 6 hours. 24 into 2 plus 6. Now 24 multiplied by 2 with 48 plus 6 is 54. So in 2 days, 6 hours, we have 54 hours. Next is second question of exercise 65. Second question. Convert into minutes. Convert into minutes. Now students, we'll convert hours into minutes. First part is 8 hours. Eight hours in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So students, when we convert hours into minutes, we will multiply by 60. When we convert hours into minutes, we will multiply by 60. So in 8 hours, we have 60 multiplied by 8. Now 60 multiplied by 8. So answer is 480 minutes. In 8 hours, we have 480 minutes. Now part B. Twelve hours. Now 60 multiplied by 12. First we will multiply by 2, 0, 6 2 are 12. Now multiply by 1, 0, 6. So in 12 hours we have next is part C. 24 hours. Now 60 multiplied by 24. And 2 6 are 12. Now students add 0, 4, 4, 1. So in 24 hours we have 1440 minutes. So students, today your homework is complete